Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So in this video, I will share with you a beautiful verse from the Quran and a supplication. So let's start. The verse is from Surah Al-Hijr, chapter 15, verse number 4. It says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما أهلكنا من قرية إلا ولها كتاب معلوم. The translation is, and we did not destroy any city but that for it was known a decree. This verse reminds us of the power and wisdom of Allah, who knows the fate of every nation and people. He does not destroy anyone unjustly, but only according to a predetermined plan that is based on His justice and mercy. He is the one who gives life and death, and He is the best of judges. We should reflect on this verse and learn to trust in Allah's decree and not be afraid of the trials and tribulations that may come our way. We should be grateful for the blessings that He has bestowed upon us and not be arrogant or ungrateful. So the supplication that we'll be talking about is a supplication we should recite before sleeping. This supplication is reported by Anas ibn Malik radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, who said the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say it when he went to bed. So it is, اللهم إنك خلقت نفسي وأنت توفها لك مماتها ومحياها إن أحييتها فاحفظها وأن أمتها فاغفر لها اللهم إني أسألك العافية. And the translation is, O Allah, you have created my soul and you take it back. Unto you is its death and its life. If you give it life, then protect it, and if you cause it to die, then forgive it. O Allah, I ask you for strength. This supplication acknowledges that Allah is the creator and the owner of our souls, and that He has full control over our lives and deaths. We ask Him to protect us from harm and evil if He grant us to life, and forgive us and have mercy on us if He takes our life. We seek His help and guidance. We also prepare ourselves for the possibility of death, which can come at any time, and we hope for His forgiveness and mercy. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something beneficial. And don't forget to recite this supplication before going to bed. May Allah bless you and protect you. Assalamu alaikum.